Hello everyone and welcome back to my tutorial, and today I will start new topic. This is about Dynamo. So we will start from the zero, so we will try to understand how the working Dynamo, how you can use Dynamo, and we will finish with some complex things, how you can, for example, put your family inside to the Revit, how you can manipulate with data. So all these things we will talk about in this series. This will be a long way series, it will be like 15 or 20 topics. So if you are interested in Dynamo, I need only your likes and comments like you need it, and by this way I will understand I should continue it. So this topic, today we will start from some not simple topic, but this is like the basic one. We will start from the points. I will try to show you how the points working in Dynamo, how you can manipulate with these points, and this will be like our starting point to learning Dynamo well. So I think we can start. Right now I'm using the Dynamo 2.20. You can see it here. It's a bit new one. I highly recommend you use the last version, but it's not the important for you. You can use even the oldest one like 0.9. This will be pretty okay. But the new one version, as you can see, have some icons. It will be more useful for you, use friendly, you know. Okay, so before we will use the nodes, the fast explanation what you can see on the Dynamo. On the left side you can see the categories of the nodes. As you understand, if you need categories of the nodes dictionary, you will go here. If you need display, geometry, import, export, you will go on this category. Okay, on the right side here, this is your working space. So here you will put your nodes. Here you will see result on the background. So this is background, you cannot do anything, this is your background. On the bottom left side, this is a type of the how it will be work, automatically or manual. So if you are beginner, you can leave it on the automatical one. If you are already working like advanced user, so better for you will be manual, because you will control when it should be calculating, because your nodes will be a bit heavy. So every time when you will change something, it will stuck and Revit will be thinking. Okay, here you can see we can change type of the navigation. We will talk about later, but just for now, for us, it will be enough this type of the navigation, so that one. What we have also here, we have here the search engine, so you can here the type anything about your command, and Revit will try to find this node on this category. Here the simplest thing like new document, open document, save, go back, go forward, and blah blah blah. Here the settings, packages, we will talk about the packages later on, because this is basic tutorial for today, and some settings. So as you see, I'm not going to any settings, I'm not going to some packages, I will go to work straight away, and you can work this straight away too. So what we're gonna do now? Now I need the point. Let's put the point to our project. To find the node with the point, we will use the search engine here. Just click on that and type point. Okay, Revit will try automatically will find a node with that name. So as you can see here, not any name with the point, but this is category point. So that's why he trying to give to you this node. Actually, I need point by coordinates, and as you can see, this is what I want. So point by coordinates. So just click on that, and you can see it already here in your working space window. And as you can see on the background, you can see your 3D point. As you can see, this is point. I will go closely. If you can change the also the type of the. I just wanna show you how it's working. Okay, so here is my point, as you see, the red one. I will go back here. Okay, if you will select this node, you can see Revit automatically will select this node too. What we can do with node, as you can see, as you know from the school, I hope, each point have the 3 coordinates, X, Y, Z. So that's why it's calling like 3D. these three dimensions need for the Revit to understand where is this point. So you have like Z point, X point, and Y point. And for example, if you have like, for example, you have this is X, Y, Z, right? For example, our X, it's 5, right? It's 5, so the 5 will be somewhere here. Our Y, it's 0, so it means it's not will go to this line. And our Z, it's also the 5. So the 5 here, so our point will be exactly on this point. If here will be some number, of course it will be somewhere there. Okay, I will show you now visually what I mean. As you see, we should connect here the some data, right? How we can do that? We have a lot of ways. For you it will be more simplest one. Use the how it's called, slider. Let's type here the slider, and you will find number slider here. Let's do it. Here is number slider. As you can see here the number, and we can change by this thing. You can change the type of the number. Okay, I will leave like 1 or something like a 1, so 1.1, it's okay. And let's connect it to the Z one. Let's connect, and as you can see, our dot it's not already on the 0. I will change again like this direction. And if you will change the number here, as you can see, it's going up or down. If I will put one more slider here, and I will connect this slider to the X, now our dot going to the X, as you can see. It's not going to the minus, because we don't have here the minus, but we can write here the minus. So it's going to the minus. It means on the negative side. Okay, we can combine it. So as you can see, as I said right before, X, Y, Z. So our 0, total 0 here, our X is here, and our Z is here. That's why point it will be here. Let's add here the Y coordinates. And let's say it will be 1. Connect. Let's go to 3D and I will show you. You can see 1, second direction, and third direction. And now it's combining. Okay, so let's go back. Now you understand, I hope, how we're working the points, because it's cool. We're just showing to you how it's working. Let's add some more points, right? I need point by coordinates. Let's copy it. I just using Ctrl-Z, Ctrl-V, and just unconnect everything from this point. Okay, and as you can see, we have here the 1 point and second point, and if you will select, you will see we have 2 points. Really cool. What we can do with these points? Of course, we can change direction. I will leave this point from the 0. This will be our 0, total 0. Here we will some transferring to somewhere. And what I want now, I want line between point A to point B. So if we want line, let's write line, and Revit give us by start point, end point, so it means 2 points. Let's use that one, and as you can see, this node wants the starting point and want ending point. Our starting point, it will be total 0, so let's connect it to the start, and our ending point will be the modified point. Let's connect it. A, B, as you can see. So, and we have the line between them. If you will change something here, for example, you will change direction, of course the line will follow it, will follow your point. So as you can see, I'll show you like this. You can see the Y direction is also changing. Okay, awesome, right? Of course, it's not only about 2 points, right? You can add as much as you want. For example, I will do triangle. As you understand, I need few more points, right? Let's say this will be like group. I want to make the group. Let's write the group. I want to make the group, right click and create the group, and I will call it like point B. So you can do the same thing. You will understand how it's working on. Just select some nodes, right click, create group, and you will get some like title box here. And this one will be point A. So like this we understand where is point A, where is point B, and we, as you know, we need point C. Let's connect this one. I will copy it. I will totally copy it. I will change some direction, for example, to Z. Z direction, my Y direction will be 0. And Z direction, where is my Z direction? I will change it somewhere here. Okay. And Z direction, it will be 0. So triangle. Okay, and this point will be B. Oh, C. Okay. We want line between point B and point C, right? Right. So we need this node again. Let's copy it. And again, our first point, it will be, our starting point, it will be B. Let's connect that one to the starting point. And our ending point will be C. Let's connect that one to the end. 1, 2. Right. Awesome, right? And of course, we need last one. We need connect A point to the C. Let's connect it. For that one, we need one more line. Let's connect it. Our starting point is A. Okay, this is correct. And our C point is ending. We get triangle. So this is fully parametrical triangle, as you can see. If we will change some, for example, some numbers here, as you can see, it's totally following your Dynamo script. This was simple, like basic things about the points, because you will be working with data at so much with Dynamo, and you should understand about the points everything. That's why this is first tutorial. Like for fun, I will show you one more thing. All these notes you will find below this video. You will play around with that. You will just check it out how it's work. So this is totally free, guys. It's for you. Now, just for fun, I will create the cube from 2 points. As you understand, we need 2 points. Let's create a few more 2 points. I will copy everything that, and I'll copy it somewhere here. Let's change the name. This will be like point A cube. This will be point B cube. Okay, awesome. I will unswitch off that one. I don't want to see that right now. And let's freeze it. Or let's unswitch off the preview. Now we not see what's going on here. Oh, I said preview for everything. Okay, I do it by one. It's okay. Preview and preview. As you can see now, I can see only this point and that point, so only 2 points. So, okay, this one will be 0, total 0. Let's do like this. This one will be on the left side. This one will be here. So you can see now dots and nodes also. Okay, as you can see here, the 0. I said 0. You can just do like this. This will be 0. This one I will modify. So I will put it somewhere here, and I will do it somewhere there. Okay. We have 2 points, and now we can create a cube. How we can create cube? Let's write here the cube. And you will find here cube by corners. So you can see here on this small. So let's use this by corners. And as you can see, we have already here the cube. But as I said, we have the 2 points, and we can control it from these 2 points. So what we gonna do? This our point is topmost one. As you can see, it's high point we have, and this point is topmost one. So let's connect this point to the high point. Okay, and as you can see, you get result. By the way, we didn't connect the low point. We will do that now. Let's connect it. Nothing changed because our lowest point is exactly on the 0, like we did it before. But if you will change here something like that, as you can see, our cube now following our lowest point, right? You can change not only x coordinate, you can also change y coordinate and z coordinate too. And it's what will follow your point. The same thing on the height point. If you will change it, it will change too. So as you understand, with points you can create the shapes. Now I think it's become interesting for you because you can see now result. Okay guys, now it was the first tutorial about the Dynamo. As I said, it will long way distance about the Dynamo. So if you're excited about that, don't forget about the comments and likes, and leave your opinion about Dynamo and what you wanna get from Dynamo, because some people want getting some data, some people want creating some concept. Thank you for watching and see you next time. To support my channel you can go to Gumroad, check that my store. There you can find a bundle of this Dynamo scripts, or you can buy 2-story complete house or even the 2-story residential classic house. By this way you supporting my channel and you making me happy to creating the new videos for you guys. And that's it from today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my social media, leave some comments for this video and give some like, and see you next time.